Want to offer gift wrapping in your WooCommerce store without creating complicated product variations? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional gift wrapping option using YayExtra, customize its appearance with CSS, and even use conditional logic to display it based on the customer's selection. Gift wrapping is a simple upsell that can increase order value while improving the customer experience. Instead of creating separate products or variations, extra product options let customers personalize their purchases directly on the product page. For this tutorial, we'll use YayExtra. YayExtra allows you to create extra product options, add conditional logic to them, and many other customization features without writing complex code. It is a free plugin. If you choose the free version of the plugin, you can get it from the WordPress plugin repository. The premium version unlocks more cutting-edge features and is available on our official website. We will include links to both versions in the description below. Here, we will be using the premium version of the YayExtra plugin. Once you have activated the plugin, you can see the plugin settings on the left-hand side. Open it, and you will be redirected to the main YayExtra configuration options. Our primary goal here is to ask the user if they need to include a gift wrap in the order. If the answer is yes, we will show the available gift wrap options. If they do not need it, the gift wrap option remains hidden. Now click on the Add New Option Set button. You will see 4 configurations: General, Options, Actions, Products. Under the General option, you can give the newly created extra option a name and a description. This is for admin usage. Your website visitors won't see this information. Once you have done that, move to the Options tab. This is where we will be adding the extra product options. Click the Add New Option button. The plugin will add a text option by default. Under the label, name your option. Here, we are going to add a question like, "Do you need to include gift wrap with this order?" Instead of the text option, we will switch to a radio button. We will also mark it as required. Under the option values, we will add yes and no. So far, we have asked the user if they need a gift wrap. When someone selects yes, we need to display the available gift wrap designs. To do this, add a new option and label it as you like. Here, we will label it Choose Your Gift Wrap Design. For this option, we will change the option type to swatches. We will also mark it as required. Under the option values, fill in the available options you have. We will be adding 4 colors: red, blue, yellow, and purple. In the YayExtra Premium plugin, you can show an image of the option instead of a solid color. This is a really good feature that helps the user see what they are getting. So under the value, switch to photo and select an image from the media library. If you do not have an image in the library, you can upload one from your local storage. We have added images for all 4 option values we have configured. Here is another cool feature offered by YayExtra. If you need to charge extra for gift wrap, that is possible. Select the additional cost option under the value and enable it. Once done, enter how much extra to add to the total value. In our case, $3 is a good amount. Once you are done with it, open the advanced settings. There, you can add a custom CSS class for the option set. If you need to style this option differently, you can use this option. You can also see advanced options such as swatch shapes, swatch zooming, tooltips, swatch direction, and more. Depending on your preferences, you can tweak those values. Now, move to the conditional logic settings. Right now, the swatches option would be displayed automatically. What we are trying to do is display the swatches only if the customer selected yes for the previous option. So add new conditional logic. Configure the option so that if the customer said yes before, show the swatches. We are done with that section. The Action tab contains some advanced features that we will cover in another video. Finally, move to the Products tab. This is where we will assign the newly created option to custom products. You can choose all products, select them individually, or filter by any condition, such as a specific category, name, or tag. For this tutorial, we will apply to all our products. Once that is done, save the changes. Now visit any products from the front end. You will see the radio button option there. If you select no, nothing will happen. But if you select yes, the gift wrap option will be displayed. You can hover over the available options to see the additional price that each option adds to the total. If you select an option, the extra fee will be automatically added to the total value. If you need to make the swatches bigger, we have got a CSS snippet. We have added a CSS class called YayExtra to the option. To style the options, open the customizer and paste the CSS code. You can see every change in real time. We will leave a small CSS snippet in this video's description. You can tweak the class and style the option to your liking. That's it! This is how you can create gift wrap options in WooCommerce. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.